morning and a warm welcome to each and every one of you today. I would like to introduce you to Dr. Peter Cote.
From a research perspective, we're probably really way up there, if not the best in the world. Try to be fast and try to go out there and build it and do it. Show the world that we can do it and tell the world that we're doing it.
It's an incredible honor. It's an incredible honor to have that many people from all over the world, basically from Siemens brand, joining today's event to showcase our strategic cooperation, which has been ongoing for many decades.
Those demonstrators, they show what can be done in practice to show that we can bring the research that we're doing really to industrial applications.
You will notice a ripple that's being shown on these graphs that actually is due to...
I like what I'm seeing here. I was expecting here to see, how the real and the digital world would actually join, and we'll show synergies that open opportunities and propelling us into the future. And that's exactly what I've seen.
We share the same values. In the end, you have to make sure that you bring motivated talent around some visionary ideas to eventually make lives and the planet a bit better.
We have a very strong relationship with KU Leuven. We have PhD exchanges, we have student exchanges, we have master theses. So we have multiple levels of collaboration that we foster and that we really want to foster for the future as well.
Universities can do things and look at timelines that are beyond what a company can do. And so by working together, we can see which of their inventions and new findings are applicable to our problems, and we can then translate that into solutions for our customers.
We're getting real data from the sensors, and we're matching it and making sure that our digital twin is correct.
I'm proud of being part of a Siemens, and I'm proud of a Siemens investing into the education and research. And hopefully we can inspire the next generation of innovators and leaders.